Welcome back, YouTube. Today I'm going to do my twist, my take on some Popeyes fried chicken. I made up a spice mix. I'll put the ingredients down below or maybe on the screen. We're going to start off by marinating them. I want to get these marinated for about 3 hours, I guess. I clean the chicken, let it drain some. We're just going to rub that in. Get it coated everywhere. And it's just normal spices: salt, pepper, garlic, onion, cayenne, paprika, a little MSG, some accent. All right, we're gonna let this sit 3 hours. We'll be back to fry later. After 3 hours in the fridge, we're ready for the next step. We're gonna make a dry batter. We're gonna do a cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, and half a teaspoon baking powder. We want to mix that up. We're going to dredge the marinated chicken in there. We'll start off with the legs. We just put a light coat on these. Shake off any excess. Lay them out to dry. It's going to give us a good crispy skin. All right, we're going to let those dry, then I'll get the oil heating up. I've got the oil heating up to 350. We're going to start on the dry batter. I want 3 cups of flour. And another half cup of cornstarch in here. It's about a half a cup. There you go. Take a tablespoon or 2 teaspoons of that seasoning. Add that to the batter. Mix that up. Set that aside. I'm going to work on a wet batter. Going in 2 eggs. No shells, no shells. One cup of flour. I want 2 more teaspoons of that seasoning. And another teaspoon of paprika. Last but not least, I'm going to add some club soda. You see that club soda, club soda? Be careful when you open this. We're going to do 1 cup. Mix that in real good. Get out the lumps. All right, now it's time to batter. We're gonna do wet batter. Make sure you drain it good. Drain off any excess into the flour. Flip that over. Get that everything covered in flour. Alright, let me finish these up. We'll get to the stove and start frying them. Got them done. Time to fry. We're going to take a wooden spoon, put it in the pot, and see if it bubbles. Oh yeah, it's bubbling. All's hot enough to go. Should be about 350. Don't crowd your pan. We'll do these in 2 batches, 3 each. Alright kids, be careful with this at home. Don't let it overflow and burn the house down. Should be 12 minutes. Start a timer. And walk away. We'll be back in 5 minutes to flip it. I'm just joking about the walk away. You need to watch the stove, especially frying. Just be careful. There we go, guys. Look at that crust on there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna let these cool about 10 minutes. Let them finish cooking. Time for the wings. Alright, we want to get all these coated. Then we're going to dip them in the wet batter. Now we're going to let these sit this time. In the dredge. Shake them off. Make sure you shake them off. We're going to do this in a batch of 4. I think 4 will fit in that pot. All right, I'm going to use the rest of this flour that I dipped them in the first time. I'm going to use our little flip and fry. Put the lid on there. Shake them up. Get them coated. All right, there we go. Go ahead to the stove and get these fried up. right, time to get some samples going on right here. Check out that fried chicken game. Look at that skin. See what we got. Tender. Oh, look at that juice. That is what you want right there in fried chicken. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Mmm. Good flavor. Crust is not too thick. Mm-hmm.